In Apple iPhone 16 series, there is a new feature called camera button. If you are looking in Apple iPhone 16 series phones, in right side you can see one extra button down. This is the camera button. In this video, we'll be telling about how to use this camera button in Apple iPhone. By default, that camera button will be active. You don't want to set anything. But if you want to use this camera button, just by clicking on this camera button, camera application will be opened. You need to firmly click on that camera button, then only this app will be opened. Again, if you want to take photo, you need to firmly click on this button, and when you are clicking on that, photo will be taken. And if you want to record video with this camera button, you need to firmly click on this button and hold it. When you are holding, video recording will be started. Now here you can see video is recording. If you want to stop video recording, just leave and that video recording will be stopped and it will be saved. An interesting feature is not this. If you want to zoom, you can do that. For that, just slightly press on this button. You don't need to firmly press. Just when slightly pressing only, you can see that zoom option. From here, you can zoom in and zoom out. For that, you don't need to press. You need to just scroll above this button and zooming and zooming out will be done. And not only zooming option, some other options are also there. To access that option, what you need to do is just press on this button, and after the zoom option is coming, again slightly press on this button twice. When you are pressing it twice, you can see some options. Here zoom option is there, depth option is there, exposure is there, likewise style, tone option is also there. You can select whichever you want. If you want to adjust exposure, just select exposure, and after that slightly press on this button. When you are just gently clicking on that button, you can see exposure adjusting option. You can adjust exposure from here. And likewise, you can select whichever option you want. If you want to change style, you can select that option. And so many options are there. You can set according to your need. And one thing is that when using this for the first time, it will be a little difficult. But with time, you will get used to this. So this way you can use camera button in Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.